This is Fabian again, and this video right here is a quick one. It's just going to be like a donation video, telling people how to donate and where they can donate. You can go into the website. There's a donation department section where you can just submit how much you could. After reading everything, understand what we are first, because I want everybody to understand this. This is true intent. I want to treat this as as companies treat customers. We want you to come back, and we're not trying to mislead people into thinking we're something that we're not, or giving you a bad service for fun and trying to manipulate you. We're just trying to raise money, get sponsorship, see if we can get some apprenticeships going, to help out the marginalized youth. So we want people to be confident that, hey, when I take this $5 or $1 or 50 cents or $50 or whatever, whatever you can help out with, generally help out with. We want you to know that this is true intent. We're not trying to mislead somebody into giving money. When you submit something that's going to benefit us, we're going to take that and we're going to use it appropriately, and we're going to use it to benefit the marginalized youth to the utmost. So if you could contact me if you have any questions, or contact us. I'll put information to contact us too. Also, if you go to the website, all the information is there. So again, it's only 65-70% done right now, so it's almost done. The donation via the PayPal. When you click on this, it's a verified PayPal account. So that's even no issues with that either. So you can just do it through there, log in, submit your payment information, and you can go from there. Or you can contact us if you would like to just send a form of payment. That'd be fine too. So we're just looking for support, and you support us, you get a good result. I mean, if you're for community development of marginalized youths, you're gonna love the outcome. When you say, hey, yeah, I sent them $100, and look what they did with it. So that's the thing. All right. So peace, love, power, respect. That's my saying.